What's good, y'all? It is your favorite inconsistent princess back with another video. Well, actually this video is not really a video for content. This video is going to be an update video. So as y'all know, I haven't been posting for a while. My last post was literally 2 months ago, and during that time I saw where persons were still contacting me via YouTube or my different social media asking me what's up with the videos and stuff. I just want to say shout out to those persons. I knew that you guys were rocking with me, but not to that extent, and honestly I really appreciate that. Words can't express how grateful I am. But like I said, this is an update video, which basically I don't think there is much for me to say other than the fact that I started working more often. I lost track of time, which therefore caused me to stop like recording and edit and stuff. So I just decided to take a little break until now. Fortunately, I'm just here to say that I am back and I am better, and hopefully I don't go MIA again. But I have a plan. I am going to make like a timetable or something so I can manage my time wisely. Did I apologize? If I didn't, let me just say I am sorry. If I did, let me just say it again. I am sorry for going MIA on you guys, but it wasn't something that I had so much of any control of. Like I said, I had work, the times were clashing for me to record, but I do have a plan now. I'm praying that it works and y'all still rock with me like you do. I am back and I'm not going to leave. I'm putting it out in the universe for it to stay in the universe and for it to happen. I am going to be as consistent as I can be. Like I said, my strategy is to make like a timetable or something so I can manage my time well. It's my day ones, the genuine people that rocks with me. Turn your post notification on if it isn't on already. I'm planning to come with some great contents for everyone. A part of the strategy is still doing my makeup Monday. I'm going to have a makeup video every Monday. I'm still doing Frisky Friday, which on Fridays I do general videos, not just for females but for males as well. As y'all can clearly see, I am like up on my game because I got a new background. I also got a tripod for when I'm going to vlog and stuff. I am not on no BS. I'm really going to be on my A game, and that is just my bits and pieces. That is my little update slash apology to you guys. If you are not a part of my family, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and leave some positive comments. If you are a part of my family, like I said before, I just want to thank you guys so much for your continuous love and support. Once more, putting it out in the universe, I am back and I am better. Promise you guys I'm going to be on my consistent game. Until I see you guys again, walk good. Love you guys. Peace.